Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my most useful kitchen hacks that I've accumulated over the years. From keeping fresh food fresh, opening a stubborn jar, or literally putting out fires. These are some of my best tricks that have been extra useful in my mom years. If you're new to my channel, I post new videos on peaceful parenting, healthy living, and life with little ones, and would love for you to consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you never miss any helpful videos. My first hack is the very best way I have found to preserve an avocado. Avocados are, of course, super healthy, especially for our little ones growing brains. But we and they don't always eat the whole thing, and you want to save half of it. Now, as we all know, avocados tend to brown in about, 30 seconds. But with this trick, you can keep them fresh and green in the fridge for days. Slice your avocado lengthwise and use the side without the seed first and store the side that has the seed in it. Use a reusable container and place the avocado open side down and fill with filtered water enough to cover the cut portion of the avocado. The water barrier keeps it from oxidizing and browning, and when you're ready to eat, you can just scrape off the very top thin layer and underneath find a beautiful green avocado. Next up is how to make berries last longer and not get moldy in the fridge. With this trick, you don't have to worry about your berries getting moldy. It's so easy. All you need is a bowl, some vinegar, and some water. So in your bowl, dump your berries in and then put in 9 parts water to 1 part vinegar and let the berries soak for about 5 minutes. Do this as soon as you bring your berries home from the store before you put them into the fridge. After the 5-minute soak, just rinse them off and store them in the refrigerator. This works amazingly well, and you'll be able to store them for much longer without having to worry about any molding. This next hack will both help preserve your fruits and help them ripen faster. So for this hack, you'll buy your fruits not fully ripened and in bulk. So you can buy more, but they're not fully ripened. But to get them to ripen faster, try the paper bag trick. Just place your unripened fruit, like avocado, pear, or banana, that you'll need just for the next couple of days, into a brown paper bag and place it on the counter. It will ripen within a day or two, much faster than the rest of the fruit. So this way you can preserve your fruit and space it out and have ripe fruit as you need it. Okay, now let's talk about that dreaded jar that gets stuck when you're making your food, you're into the recipe, and you just cannot get the jar open. I don't know if that's happened to any of you, but it's happened to me before, and it's incredibly frustrating. Until I discovered this hack, which always gets the jar open. So the best, fastest, and most effective way I've found is this next hack. And that is to hit the bottom of the jar to break the air pressure seal. This works like you wouldn't believe and will save you so much effort and time in getting open those stubborn jars. Lastly, but certainly not least, is a little trick I picked up over the years. It has come in very handy and possibly saved my college apartment. So I have to admit, I have started a couple of small kitchen fires in my younger years as I was learning the ropes of cooking, but of course it could happen to any of us at any time. If a little oil comes in contact with a flame or too much heat, it can quickly catch fire and get out of hand. Pouring water on it can actually make it worse, spread the fire, and burn you. So if you are so unfortunate to start a kitchen fire, this trick will definitely come in very handy. Baking soda actually works really well at putting out fires like this. If it's safe to do so, just toss a generous amount of baking soda directly onto the fire to stop it in its tracks. I always try to have a box of baking soda in the kitchen, near but not too near the stove in case of such an instance. Okay guys, I really hope you liked this video and found these hacks helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.